Hey there, CJ Math students, and welcome to Notes 1.5. So just a reminder, today is a nuts and bolts day, which means these are basic kind of concepts that you must understand in order to be successful in math. So let's pay attention and really drill and kill these. So first of all, math vocabulary. A factor. Factors are numbers that we can multiply together to get another number. Alright, so I can give you some examples of factors, which include, let's do the factors of 12. Alright, so basically, what numbers can I multiply to get 12? That'd be 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Don't forget about 1 and the number. It's always a factor, no matter what number you have. All right, so these all equal 12. So really the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, the number itself. All right, so if we look at this first puzzle, I forgot to put the riddle on it, but these are just factor towers. What you want to do is write down all the factors. Basically, you're just going to use both your brain and your reference sheet to say, all right, what are the factors of 12? Well, they already have 1 and 12, obviously 2 and 6, and then 3 and 4. And how many factors do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors. All right. Let's do one like here. This number, because the only numbers I can multiply together, only whole numbers I can multiply together to get 7 are 1 and 7. Therefore, we call this a prime number. So the only factors are 1 and 7, so we have 2 factors. So when a number only has 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, we call it prime. Let's look at number 16. So factors always start with 1 and the number, 1 and 16. Obviously 2 and 8. Even numbers always have a factor of 2, because they can be cut in half. That's an important distinction. And then we also have 4 and 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. Now be careful here. The number of factors is not 6, because 4 is repeated twice. So really it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors. So be super careful there. Let's go down to something like 24. Factors of 24 are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6, right? All these numbers I can multiply together to get 24. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different factors. Let's do 60 together. The factors of 60 are 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and 12, and 6 and 10. So I have 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different factors. All right. And lastly, let's do 72 together. 1 and 72, 2 and half of 72 cut in half is 36. I can actually do 3 and 24, 4 and 18. I'm using my reference sheet right now, just going down the 1's column, the 2's column, the 3, 4 until I get to 72. 6 and 12, and then obviously 8 and 9. So again, 12 different factors, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different factors. All right, that's the end of part 1.